everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and fluffy Japanese milk bread.
Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more baking tutorials just like this. This bread is famous for its soft texture and sweet taste, and it's perfect for sandwiches, French toast, or just enjoying with a cup of coffee. Let's start by going over the ingredients you'll need. 3 cups bread flour, 1/4 cup sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast, a half a cup milk, 1/4 cup water, 1/4 cup unsalted butter softened, and 1 egg. First, let's mix the dry ingredients together in a large mixing bowl. Flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, softened butter, and beaten eggs. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry mixture, stirring until it forms a shaggy dough. Then add in the warm water a little at a time until the dough is smooth and elastic. Now it's time to knead the dough. Lightly flour your work surface and turn out the dough onto it. Knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and springy to the touch. Then place the dough back in the mixing bowl, cover it with a damp towel, and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours in a warm, draft-free spot. After the dough has doubled in size, it's time to shape it. Punch the dough down to release the air and turn it out onto your work surface. Divide the dough into 4 equal parts and shape each part into a ball. Place the 4 balls in a greased loaf pan. Cover with a damp towel and let them rest for another 30 to 45 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the dough has rested, brush the top with egg wash and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the top is golden brown and the bread sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. Remove the bread from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing and serving. And there you have it, a delicious and fluffy Japanese milk bread that's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more baking tutorials like this. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you tried this recipe and how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's try this. You want to try a piece?
Oh no, stop.
That's perfect.